Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the 2023 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is a compact car that's known for its stylish design, fun driving dynamics, and excellent fuel economy. It's also been praised for its safety features and reliability. In this review, I'll be taking a closer look at the Mazda 3's exterior, interior, performance, safety features, and technology. I'll also give you my overall thoughts on the car and whether or not I think it's worth buying. The Mazda 3's exterior is one of its strongest points. It's sleek, stylish, and modern. The front end features a large grille with a honeycomb pattern, and the headlights are sharp and angular. The sides of the car are smooth and flowing, and the rear end is sporty and aggressive. The Mazda 3 is available in two body styles, a sedan and a hatchback. The sedan is the more traditional option, while the hatchback offers more cargo space. Both body styles are available in a variety of colors, including Soul Red Crystal Metallic, Machine Gray Metallic, and Snowflake White Pearlescent. The Mazda 3's interior is just as stylish as its exterior. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with a focus on functionality. The materials used throughout the cabin are high quality, and the fit and finish is excellent. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for even tall passengers. The rear seats are also comfortable, but they're a bit cramped for adults. The Mazda 3 comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system is easy to use and responsive, and it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are also two USB ports and a 12-volt power outlet for charging devices. The Mazda 3 is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 186 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Mazda 3 is fun to drive. It's agile and responsive, and it handles corners well. The engine is powerful enough for everyday driving, and it gets good fuel economy. The Mazda 3 comes standard with a variety of safety features, including forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, high beam assist. The Mazda 3 also received a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and a top Safety Pick Plus rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. The Mazda 3 comes standard with a variety of technology features, including 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 USB ports, 12-volt power outlet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot. The Mazda 3 is also available with a number of optional technology features, including 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Bose sound system, head-up display, navigation system, wireless charging. The 2023 Mazda 3 is an excellent compact car. It's stylish, fun to drive, safe, and reliable. It also comes standard with a long list of features, and it's available with a number of optional technology features. If you're looking for a stylish, fun, and reliable compact car, the Mazda 3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching my review of the 2023 Mazda 3. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews. Thanks again for watching.